Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on another planet? I mean, Earth is pretty great, don't get me wrong. We've got pizza, breathable air, and the original Star Wars trilogy. But let's face it, we humans have a bit of a track record when it comes to pushing the limits. We sailed across oceans before we had maps, we flew to the moon with less computing power than your smartwatch. So naturally, we're setting our sights on finding a new home among the stars. Today we're exploring the top 5 contenders in this cosmic real estate market, the planets and moons that could potentially host humanity beyond Earth. We'll be diving into what makes each of these celestial bodies unique, what challenges they pose, and what kind of future pioneers might expect if they were to pack their bags for a one-way trip off-world. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, because we're about to embark on a cosmic journey to discover which planet should be humanity's next great adventure. Our first stop takes us to our next-door neighbor, the red planet Mars. Now, Mars has been capturing our imaginations for centuries, and for good reason. It's relatively close, cosmically speaking, boasting a day length almost identical to Earth's. Plus, evidence suggests that Mars wasn't always the cold, dry desert it is today. We're talking ancient rivers, maybe even a planet-wide ocean. That means water, and water, my friends, is the lifeblood of any future colony. Of course, Mars presents its fair share of challenges. The atmosphere is thin, the temperatures are frigid, and you'd need a spacesuit just to step outside. But hey, nobody said pioneering was easy, right? Next, we're taking a giant leap to Jupiter's moon, Europa. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jupiter, that gas giant with a swirling storm bigger than Earth? Hear me out, because Europa is no ordinary moon. Beneath its icy shell lies an ocean that might hold more water than all of Earth's oceans combined, and where there's water, there could be life. Now, we're not talking little green men here, but even microbial life would be a game changer, proving that we're not alone in the universe. Living on Europa would be unlike anything we've ever known. Imagine underwater habitats shielded from Jupiter's radiation, exploring a vast alien ocean. It's a prospect as daunting as it is exhilarating. Chapter 3, Titan, Methane, Lakes and Alien Skies. Let's swing by Saturn's largest moon, Titan, a world that's both familiar and utterly alien. Titan is shrouded in a thick atmosphere, thicker than Earth's, and it's the only place in our solar system besides Earth with stable liquids on its surface. Now, these aren't your typical lakes and rivers. We're talking liquid methane and ethane, hydrocarbons that could potentially fuel a future colony. Plus, that thick atmosphere would provide some protection from space radiation. Imagine donning wingsuits and soaring through Titan's nitrogen-rich skies, exploring a landscape sculpted by methane rain and hydrocarbon rivers. It's a world that's ripe for exploration and maybe, just maybe, for human habitation. Chapter 4. Enceladus, Geysers and a Hidden Ocean. Our next stop takes us to another moon of Saturn, the enigmatic Enceladus. This icy world may be small, but it holds a big secret. Geysers that erupt from its south polar region, spewing water vapor hundreds of kilometers into space. These geysers tell us that there's a vast ocean hidden beneath Enceladus's icy crust, an ocean that could be even more promising for life than Europa's. And just think, future explorers might be able to collect samples from these geysers without ever having to land on the surface. Living on Enceladus would be a constant dance with the forces of gravity, as this moon is locked in a gravitational tug-of-war with Saturn. But hey, who wouldn't want a front-row seat to the rings of Saturn? Chapter 5, Proxima Centauri b, a new sun, a new home. For our final stop, we're going interstellar, journeying to a star system beyond our own, Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor. Orbiting this red dwarf star is Proxima Centauri b, an exoplanet in the habitable zone, the region where temperatures might be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. Now, we still have a lot to learn about Proxima b, but its potential is undeniable. It could be a rocky world like Earth, or maybe a super-Earth with stronger gravity. We just don't know yet. Imagine the possibilities of being the first humans to set foot on a planet orbiting another star. It's a journey that would redefine our place in the cosmos, a testament to the boundless spirit of exploration that drives us. Outro our future among the stars. So, there you have it, 5 potential homes for humanity beyond Earth. each with its own unique allure, its own set of challenges, and its own power to ignite our sense of wonder. The future of space colonization is still unwritten, but one thing's for sure. We humans are driven by an insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to seek out new life and new civilizations, boldly where no one has gone before. While these planets and moons offer exciting possibilities, each comes with its own set of challenges. The future of space colonization is still uncertain, but it's fascinating to think about where humanity might go next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic content.